welcome to Manila, Philippines. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 3. The local time now is 10 minutes past.
So I finally made it to Nido. I've not had the best start to the Philippines in all honesty, and it has been a little disappointing so far. Oh, hello. I made a friend. Hello. Something licked my back and I was like, oh. Hello. I think I have fleas now. Yeah, getting from the airport from Manila was an absolute nightmare. It took about an hour to get a grab taxi, and then the food, like I have struggled with the food a bit so far. Like in Nido it's not been too bad because it's really touristy, but I can see me really struggling in other places. Just with being vegetarian, everything here is meat or fish. So I've even contemplated eating fish just so that I can survive, but we'll see how it goes. And then yesterday from Puerto Princesa to Nido, the bus was an hour late and it was a 5.5 hour bus journey, so I didn't get here till later than I thought I was going to get here, so I couldn't really get my bearings. Today I'm going to Nakpan Beach, which is supposed to be really nice. I've just booked myself on a van to go there. It was 600 pesos there and back, which isn't bad at all. It's like £8. It's really cloudy today, so I'm hoping it'll clear up. Otherwise this beach is not going to look as nice as I think that it'll look. But yes, my first proper day in Nido. So I'm at Nakpan Beach. It's been apparently it's rated Asia's #1 beach. I don't think it's as nice as some of the beaches that I have been to. It is absolutely amazing, but I wouldn't rate it the #1 beach. But the sea, definitely, the sea is the clearest water I've ever seen. I know I keep saying that as I'm going along, but yeah, when you're in there, it's like a swimming pool. You look down and it's just crystal clear. Luckily, it seems like the weather's clearing up a little bit. It did give thunderstorms, so I was a little bit worried, but it seems okay. This morning I'm going on a boat trip. I'm doing tour D, so there's tour A, B, C and D. D just seemed like the better option, and I'm hoping to see some turtles.